When addressing hazards on a worksite, we should always refer to the hierarchy of controls. It's a framework for prioritizing and developing risk management strategies. The hierarchy of controls is a systematic approach used to minimize or eliminate exposure to hazards. The hierarchy of control helps us recognize and implement the most effective control possible for each hazard. Let's break down each level of the hierarchy with specific examples. Elimination is the most effective control and involves completely removing the hazard. An example may be using a drone to survey or inspect areas at height to avoid fall risks. Depending on the scenario, elimination may not be feasible. Now we'll consider substitution, which includes replacing the hazard with a less dangerous option. Maybe instead of using portable ladders on a job, scaffolds and platforms can be implemented instead. Engineering controls involve physically redesigning workspaces or equipment to isolate people from the hazard. For example, guardrails along the workspace perimeter at height and machine guards on active equipment are effective engineering controls. Administrative controls change the manner in which people work to reduce exposure to hazards. Implementing regular safety training sessions can help ensure workers are aware of potential hazards and how to mitigate them. Scheduling shorter shifts for workers can also be a way to minimize exposure to hazards. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is the last line of defense. It involves supplying workers with safety gear such as gloves, hard hats, harnesses, respirators, goggles, and any job-specific PPE. If hazards can't be eliminated or sufficiently controlled, using PPE is crucial. Ensure all workers are equipped with the appropriate gear before starting a project. Be sure to use the hierarchy of controls to assess hazards before your next job.